Welcome to Crafts PK. In this video we are showing you most popular ideas for beautiful bedroom furniture in Pakistan. We have lot of collection of wooden bedroom set different design in kind modern, king and queen size. More videos please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Popular ideas for beautiful bedroom furniture in Pakistan. After a long and tiring day, all one needs is to relax in the place that you feel most comfortable in, i.e. your bedroom. Your room is your safe space, and decorating it with your favorite pick of bedroom furniture design can make your bedroom just the dreamy place where you can relax. Choosing the right bedroom furniture sets can have a major effect on our day in the long run. Our entire day depends on how we are taking care of ourselves, taking a good amount of sleep, how we are relaxing our backs on the mattress and bed set. You can take a look at this collection of bedroom furniture in Pakistan that craftsp.k.com has compiled for you to bring instant comfort and aesthetics to your room. When you're choosing your bedroom furniture, you need to pick a theme and just go with what will look best with it. There is a vast variety of types and sizes of furniture that you can get to create just the desired aesthetic that you want. Here are some small bedroom furniture layout ideas that you can utilize while refining your bedroom into the relaxing and comfortable space that you need. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked wood furniture and with decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.